Jurors will determine in the New York State Supreme Court if the Trump Organization did indeed take part in an alleged 15-year scheme involving paying executives with off-the-book benefits such as luxury cars and private school tuition. The New York Post reported that out of 18 potential jurors questioned earlier this week, 11 were dismissed after expressing a strong dislike of the former president. Finally, 12 were selected Thursday. Trump's company faces 9 charges, including tax fraud, conspiracy, and falsifying business records. Jurors will hear from Trump's longtime chief financial officer, Allen Weisselberg, who this summer pleaded guilty to 15 felony counts. He will be the star witness.
The company can't go to jail, but this can be very, very problematic for his company.
The Trump Organization has pleaded not guilty, and Trump himself is not expected to testify or attend court proceedings. However, Trump could still face criminal charges.
He's not personally charged. I don't expect that that's going to change, although it obviously could.
This criminal trial is separate from the New York State Attorney General's civil lawsuit that says Trump, the Trump Organization, and his 3 oldest children allegedly misrepresented assets to get favorable loan rates and tax benefits. This trial is expected to last until early December and comes as Trump faces several other investigations. Reporter Michelle Morris has more details.
Yes, Lydia, and that's not the only thing the former president has recently been in headlines for. And as days go by, his legal issues continue to pile up.
Presidents have been both requested and subpoenaed to appear before Congress in the past, but these circumstances are different because of the historic nature of former President Trump's action.
The 45th president was subpoenaed by the committee investigating the January 6th insurrection. Committee Chair Benny Thompson and Vice Chair Liz Cheney explained in the cover letter to Trump that they have assembled overwhelming evidence, including from dozens of your former appointees and staff, that you personally orchestrated and oversaw a multi-part effort to overturn the 2020 presidential election and obstruct the peaceful transition of power.
We are going to proceed in terms of the questioning of the former president under oath. It may take multiple days. And it will be done with a level of rigor and discipline and seriousness that it deserves. He's not going to turn this into a circus. This isn't going to be, his first debate against Joe Biden and the circus and the food fight that became. This is far too serious set of issues.
Also, keep in mind, just a couple of months ago, the FBI raided the former president's Mar-a-Lago estate. Some of the classified documents recovered allegedly include sensitive intelligence regarding Iran and China, which could possibly result in a federal indictment. And Trump continues to criticize the committee's work.
They broke into my house, and they should give me immediately back everything that they've taken from me, because it's mine. It's mine.
Trump's lawyers have accepted the subpoena, and now the former president and his legal team have until November 4th to turn over any documents sought out in the subpoena and until November 14th to testify at a deposition. In Washington, D.C., reporting for South Florida Media Network, Michelle Morris.